Hey, I'm Marina, and I'm the hands behind Draw with Marina.
While my main content is all about teaching you how to draw in Procreate, I occasionally venture off and share with you the latest tech gadgets, and this is one of them. So this post is not sponsored in any way. I purchased this with my own money.
Meet the Wacom Intuos Pen Tablets in medium Pistachio. So first things first, I've been pronouncing this brand all wrong for the past decade. I was saying Wacom, but it's actually Wacom. So my MacBook Pro has very limited real estate in terms of ports. Being a minimalist, anything cordless or Bluetooth is a huge win.
So since I had no more free USB-C ports, I contemplated on upgrading to the Wacom Intuos tablet with the Bluetooth connection.
Okay, so let's backtrack. I've been using the Wacom Pen Tablet for about 15 years now, and this is my third version. They have all served me very well, but just as a quick disclaimer, I didn't buy them for drawing or sketching, just to replace my mouse when using the laptop for everyday use. As a 25+ year veteran of graphic design, I just find that a pen and tablet is way easier for designing. For example, just lassoing around an object or erasing something in Photoshop. But of course, not as fine-tuned as Procreate, but again, that's another video altogether. So here's my older tablet on the left and the new one on the right. Keep in mind that this new one I just bought was released in 2018, and so here I am buying it 7 years later. The connection port is still dated with a USB-A, so you will need an adapter if trying to connect to a USB-C on a MacBook Pro. However, this version also comes with Bluetooth connectivity. Also, just be aware that you will initially have to charge the tablet. The pen is battery-free and it has 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity. However, I'm not sure how to logistically and physically test out this disclaimer, but I guess I will just have to trust what they say. You can customize their express keys and 2 pen buttons for instant access to your favorite tools such as undo and redo. And because I recently got a second monitor, I found that mapping my tablet to just my main monitor kept my brain and eyes from going all wonky. So here's a time of celebration. Once I did the initial charge of the tablet, I disconnected the wires and enabled it to Bluetooth mode. And sadly, I can definitely feel a slight lag with the pen. I tried Googling every which way for an answer, and unfortunately, it was a no-go. I checked all my connections, disconnected other things that might be interfering, and nothing worked. Maybe I'm just a sensitive person, but I simply cannot stand the microscopic lag, so for now, I've reconnected all the wires. If anyone has found a solution to this, please comment below. So as for my final thoughts, I still say yes to the Wacom Intuos Pen Tablet, because whether you're doing bookkeeping, designing, editing photos, or just taking notes, the pen and tablet just mimics the way your hand moves naturally. Overall, this is a slight upgrade from what I had before. It's bigger, sleeker, more lightweight when traveling, and it just looks nicer. However, I'm kind of back to square one on the whole minimalist vibe.
For more drawing tutorials and gadget reviews, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.